Footprinting, also known as reconnaissance, is the technique used for gathering information about computer systems and the entities they belong to. To get this information, a hacker might use various tools and technologies. FOCA, Fingerprinting Organizations with Collected Archives, is a tool used mainly to find metadata and hidden information in the documents it scans. These documents may be on web pages and can be downloaded and analyzed with FOCA. It's capable of analyzing a wide variety of documents, with the most common being Microsoft Office, OpenOffice, or PDF files. These documents are searched for 3 possible search engines: Google, Bing, and DuckDuckGo. Here's how you can download and install FOCA. You can download FOCA from the 11 Paths website that is seen on this slide. FOCA is open source. You can download all the sources as well as the executable binary from github.com/11paths/FOCA. However, this version requires SQL Server Express installed on the host machine. So I prefer to download and use the previous version of FOCA, which requires .NET Framework version 3.5 only. It's a portable version, so you don't need to install it. Download the zip file, extract it, go to the bin folder, and run foca.exec file. That's it. To work with FOCA, start a new project using Project button on the upper left corner. Give the project a name, enter the website, and choose the folder to save the results to. When you finish filling the fields, click the Create button to create a new project. After creating a new FOCA project, we can start a network scan. From the tree at the left side, select Network Node. Now select the search types. The search types listed on the panel are Web Search, you can choose whether Google or Bing, DN Search, Dictionary Search to perform DNS search using a dictionary, IP Bing to serve the domain names hosted on the same IP address, Shodan and RobText queries, and click the Start button to start the scan. Now we can collect some documents published by the target domain to collect their metadata. From the tree at the left side, select Metadata Node. You're supposed to see a panel similar to the one which is seen on the slide. Select the document types you want to collect, and click the Search All button to start the document search. You can see the documents found under Metadata Node of the tree. You should download the documents to be able to extract the metadata. Right-click the documents you want to download from the menu. Select Download. Now you can extract the metadata of the downloaded documents. You can understand if a document is downloaded from the Download column of the table. Select the documents that you want to collect the metadata. Right-click and select Extract Metadata from the menu. You'll see the results under the Metadata node of the tree. Let's see FOCA in action. Find the 11 Paths FOCA website. On the website, you see a download button which brings you to the GitHub page of 11 Paths. You can find the latest release version of FOCA under FOCA Releases folder. It requires SQL Server Express installed on the host machine. Go back to the 11 Paths website. You can find a link to the previous version of FOCA. Read and accept the EULA and download the FOCAPro.zip file. Extract the zip file. Go to bin folder and run foca.exec file. On the Project menu, select New Project to create a new project. Fill the boxes in carefully. And then click Create. Save the project file for further usages. Now we can start a new scan. Select the network node from the tree. Select the search types. On the dictionary search panel, you have to choose a valid dictionary. The default path is probably not valid. You can find a valid dictionary inside the DNS dictionary folder, which is under the bin folder where you found the FOCA.exec file. Click the Start button to start the scan, and let the scan continue for a couple of minutes. Let's collect the documents from the target website and extract their metadata. Select the metadata node from the tree. Select the document types you're interested in. And click Search All button to find the documents. Let the search continue for a couple of minutes. Select the documents that you want to collect the metadata. Right-click and select Download. Select the downloaded documents, right-click, and select Extract Metadata at this time. Look at the nodes under the metadata node of the tree, and you will see the metadata extracted from other downloaded documents. You can examine the metadata of each document one by one, or you can find valuable data summarized under the metadata summary node. Usernames of the owners of the documents, operating system where the document is created, email addresses collected from the metadata of the documents, and more.